So today we're going to talk about the antitrust case being dismissed against DJI in the Autel versus DJI ongoing lawsuits that we've been talking about since last year, so stick around. What's up? Welcome back, everybody. My name is Original Dobo. For those of you who don't know who I am, on this channel, I do drone and tech related content. So if that's at all interesting to you, you may want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. Drone Life reports today that Autel has lost their suit against DJI in regards to the antitrust suit. Now, there are other suits pending in this whole debacle against Autel versus DJI, but primarily the portion of the antitrust basically claiming that DJI manipulated pricing in order to secure market share and force competitors out. That's been dismissed by a Delaware district court. Finally, something good comes out of Delaware. Aha. Anyways, it goes on to talk about Autel's financial logic suggests that DJI paid customers to take its drones. I'm gonna tell you right now, I have not been paid to take any drone, but please, by all means, I will take your drone if you want to pay me, DJI, that would be fine. It also went on to talk about how they priced their products below cost. I don't know about you all, but the last time I checked, my wallet would heavily disagree with that statement. Either or way, the District Court of Delaware went ahead and dismissed this case in favor of DJI, which is a pretty big win considering all the debacles that have gone on this year alone for DJI legally. It's been a pretty tough year, and it's maybe some of the reason why we haven't seen a new product out of their camp yet this year. DJI went on to say their success stems from research and development, not predatory pricing. And I'm going to have to 100% definitively agree with that. DJI has been on the forefront of development for consumer drones for the longest time, and really they are on the tip of everybody's tongue whenever you talk about a new drone today. So I fully agree with that. It goes on to divulge more information saying that DJI has disagreed with the claim that it has a monopoly on the market. It has a monopoly on the market because there's really nobody making any products that even come close. Honestly, and I'm just being totally fair here, Autel has the closest reach right now from what I can see and what I've touched. They're the closest to reaching DJI in regards to, product to performance to price right now with the Evo. So they are like the closest in strike and range. And yes, I understand that there is Unique and some other off brands as well that have surged recently, but none have come as close or as competitive as Autel. So that's why this is happening. There are some more claims that are happening, and this battle is going to keep going on as Drone Life reports. So I would encourage you to go ahead and read this article. But me personally, I'm really thinking to myself that this is probably something that is not going to result in anything positive for the consumer, just simply because anytime things like this happen, it always has a negative impact on the market. I can think of Samsung versus Apple. Nothing positive went on with that lawsuit, and it stemmed on for years. They battled each other in court, and they're probably still battling in the court today, and nothing positive has happened. Honestly, if I was Autel, I would just take your money, quit paying your lawyers, and put products out that consumers care about and that can really compete with DJI. That's where I would put my money. I wouldn't tie it up in the courts. I think if you're going to do anything, put your money where your mouth is and put a product out that can just totally go toe to toe with DJI. You came close with the Evo, and you got to do better, and the court's just not really the way to do it. But anyways, I'd love to know what you guys think about this whole thing after you read the article. Do you think they're making them too cheap? I don't think they're cheap enough sometimes. I really don't. I'm just baffled by that whole statement. Do you think Autel has a leg to stand on? Personally, I don't think they do. I think that I'm sort of siding with DJI. And trust me, I'm pretty, unbiased in this whole situation. I don't really take a side when it comes to drones. But I really do side with the fact that I don't think they're, targeting people, or definitely not paying people to take their drones. That just doesn't make sense from a business perspective. But let me know what you guys think, good or bad. I'd love to read your comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay original.